Hi, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Facts Tutorial with me, Leah. Let's start show of 10 amazing facts. Number 1. Colossus sculpture in Florence, Italy. Colossus currently stands, Villa Demidoff, will be open on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. This epic Colossus, half man, half mountain, was erected in the late 1500s by renowned Italian sculptor John Bologna as a symbol of Italy's rugged Apennine Mountains. The mountain god is 35 feet tall, over the ground of the Villa di Pratolino in Tuscany. Number 2. Wake Up Song. According to Tatler, the Queen likes to have a bagpiper play for 15 minutes under her window every morning at 9 a.m. at the Scottish castle. She heads to the terrace of her Buckingham Palace quarters to enjoy a wake-up call. Pipe Major Scott Methven. This is the current Queen's piper. Number 3. Fox. If female fox dies, male fox remains single till his last birth. But widowed female fox finds her new mate immediately. Number 4. Beluga whale. It has an ability to mimic the rhythm and tone of human speech. Beluga whale lifespan 35 to 50 years. Adults average 3 meters, 9.8 feet, in length. Males average 3.4 to 4.6 meters, 11.2 to 15.1 feet, and weigh about 1,500 kilograms, 3,307 pounds. Females average 3 to 4 meters, 9.8 to 13.1 feet, and weigh about 1,360 kilograms, 2,998 pounds. Beluga whales reach full size at about 10 years. Number 5. Flight 5390. On June 10, 1990, British Airways Flight 5390 was a flight from Birmingham Airport in England for Malaga Airport in Spain. Window of panel fell off and one of the pilot got sucked out. So co-pilot and others just held onto his legs while the plane landed. Number 6. Monticello Dam is a 304-foot high concrete arch dam in Napa County, in California, United States, constructed between 1953 and 1957. Monticello Dam, largest morning glory spillway all over the world. Number 6. Christina Hammock Koch. She was selected as an astronaut by NASA in 2013. She completed astronaut candidate training in 2015. In 2018, she was assigned to her first spaceflight, a long-duration mission on the International Space Station. Koch was a part of ISS expeditions 59, 60 and 61. She launched on March 14, 2019 from the Baikonur Cosmodrome on a Soyuz spacecraft with NASA astronaut Nick Hague and Russian cosmonaut Alexei Ovkinin. Koch set a record for the longest single spaceflight by a woman with a total of 328 days in space. Number 7. Kakapo. The kakapo is the only flightless parrot special live-in world. Kakapo, also called owl parrot, its lifespan 40 to 80 years. There are only 204 kakapo alive today. Number 9. Deers. Deers are bigger than elephant, 7,000 years ago. Number 10. World War II flights. Know of planes destroyed in World War II 76,875. Know of planes on Earth today 29,003.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to my channel for more updates.